Hi, welcome back again to our new video. We have here today a 300 series Land Cruiser 2014. The oil maintenance light is on, so yeah, we're gonna reset that one. So turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, press this twice, yeah, and wait until the display is, yeah, and then press the trip button to A, yeah. So you need to press this trip button and hold, and turn the ignition off, press twice again, and then the oil maintenance data is resetting. So that's it. Turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on again. Oil maintenance light required is gone. So that's how you reset the oil maintenance light when it's goes on. And yeah, hope you learned this video, guys, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and share this video to others. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.